Okay. All right, so where do we start? I'm going to share my screen and then you can follow along. Okay, who's this now? Okay. I'm going to share my screen and then you can follow along with what we are doing. Ne? Is everybody on board? All right, cool. Let me share my screen. Not this one, not this one. This one. Okay. Okay, so firstly, I'm gonna just to make it okay. Firstly, let me just create a folder. I just formatted my hard drive, my computer, so the FNB App Academy thingy folder is no longer here on my desktop. So let's say you have a FNB courses or App Academy or whatever you have named it, right? And it's in here. Let's just create a folder and say Unit 1. This is just for example purposes. And then let's open VS Code. VS Code. There we go. Let me also enable mouse pointer so that you can see my clicks. Yeah, there we go. So we've opened VS Code, we open folder, right? Oh, let me just ask before continuing. Does everyone have a GitHub profile? Okay, let's start there. Yeah, let's start there. So firstly, you want to go to GitHub. I'm just going to log out so that I can get the proper link. Okay, there we go. That's cool. GitHub.com, because that's the one of the key steps. You have to have a GitHub profile. So I sent you GitHub. The GitHub link is there. So firstly, you'll click on sign up. Just sign up through Google. It's much easier. It's going to save you a whole lot of time trying to remember all these passwords because we have too many passwords, if you ask me. So let me know when you're done creating your account. Oh, hi. Sign in. GitHub logo. Investigate. Okay. Okay, I'll wait for you guys to tell me when you're done creating your account. Oh, okay. Vusila is done. Gajido, are you done with creating your account? Okay, Vusila, let's just wait for Gajido. Okay. Cajido, are you there? Wiesel, I think we should just continue without Cajido because yeah, because it's recorded. I'll upload it to YouTube. Cool. Okay, so you've created your account. So firstly, when you get to your account, don't worry about everything right now. Just click on your profile icon and click repositories and then click new repository. Oh, no, don't click new repository. Don't click new repository. Or okay, there's multiple ways of doing it. We can create a repository here or the folder. Which one is the easiest? Which one would be the easiest? I think the easiest would create because you already have the folder and the unit. I think it would be easier to just open the folder with VS Code and then create a Git repository. Okay, through VS Code. Okay, don't click create what you call this. Don't click this. Let's go back to VS Code. Then we open our folder, which is where you have stored your unit work, right? So whatever you named it, I just named it F&B courses for just for an example. You see like that. Wait, you're still with me, right? Visa, we see like, are you still with me? I didn't lose you, right? Okay, cool, cool. So let's go to VS Code. I think there must be a way for me to be able to see the chat while. Okay, let me open a new window right here so that I can see the chats while I speak, so that I can see if you have an issue. Okay, so now we have our courses here. Maybe let's create lesson 1.py. But you don't have to create that because you already have your units and everything, right? Cool. Then this is your source control. This is your GitHub, right? This is your source control functionality. When you click on this, it's going to show you manage workspace trust, or it might show you, why is it in restricted mode? Trust. Okay, it might be in restricted mode like mine. Just go down here and click on trust so that we don't have that problem. Okay, let me just close this window. Okay, cool. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. It's refreshing our environments and everything. Download Git for Windows. Okay, click on download Git for Windows. And then open. Download. I think this session is going to be easier than the next session because in the next session, everything will already be set up, and whoever didn't do the Git download and all of this is going to have a tough time. But anyway, they'll just have to look at both of the videos. Then we install Git. So in the coding and developing world, in software world, Git is the most important, one of the most important technologies that you will encounter. There's also, what do you call it? Git bucket and Git Kraken, but the most used one, the most abundant one is Git. It's used by a lot of companies. And that's why in some posts, in some job posts, you'll see that they have a requirement for Git version control. That will come in later on. Okay. Okay, just accept everything here and then click next and next. Use Vim as Git's default editor. Change that because Vim is a little bit tricky. You have to know like Linux, so we're going to change that to from Vim to VS Code. But which one is a good code as a Git default editor? Code inside as Git. Let's go with the first one, and then next. And let Git use default branch name currently master for initial branch newly. Okay, let Git decide. So, okay, this is a little bit advanced, but there's a master branch. Yes, download it. No, don't choose Vim. Just click on the drop down arrow and choose VS Code. The first VS Code that you see, choose that one. Okay. Then we go next, and then adjust path environment, Git from command line and also third-party software. Let's just leave it on the recommended one. Next, use bundled OpenSSH. Next, use native Windows Secure Channel Library. Next, check out Windows style. Next, let's leave them as default for now. Okay, next, 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 and then now we install. I think we should be done with before the 1 hour limitation of this free version of Teams. I decided that we should use Teams because it's the most used one. Like everybody knows about Teams. Everybody has used Teams. Universities, work, everywhere it's Teams. Okay, let's just wait for it. And I also think that it's good that we're doing this session right now because you are the one who actually initiated this whole thing. because I wasn't gonna do it if nobody asked me. So it's better this way, so that you can get the most out of this session. Because the latter session later on during the day, it was not gonna go as smooth as this. Okay. Just once. Okay, this is documentation for Git. No, this is release notes. This is release notes. Documentation, you'll find it here, but you don't need to worry about that right now. Let's just close that and close this. Go back to VS Code. Okay, where did the chats go? The chats keep moving away. Okay, there we go. No, no, just uncheck them. Just uncheck them to for us to save time. You don't need to open it. You don't need to open the release notes. As soon as the window closes, after you uncheck them and then click finish, open VS Code. Just let me know when you're on VS Code when you're done. Okay, cool. So now we are on VS Code, right? Since we just installed Git, we're gonna have to reload the window. Press Control Shift and P. Reload window. Control Shift and P to get the settings, and then type reload, and then click on reload window. Just to refresh. Okay, let me know if you're on the same screen as I am right now, because you should be. But Risela, don't you think it's going to be easier if you unmute yourself and we actually talk instead of going through the chats? Because it's taking time.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, so are you now on the same window that I'm on?
I should be, but it just went back to download Git for Windows.
Okay, go back to VS Code
I am on VS Code.
and then press Control Shift P. Then after that, type reload.
Mm-hmm.
Look for a reload window.
Mm-hmm.
Control Shift P, reload window. This one here.
Yeah, I pressed that, but now
Okay.
it says no source control provided.
Just wait for it. It's loading. Just wait for it.
And it's back to its original screen.
Okay.
Download Git for Windows.
It's back to download Git for Windows.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me just try to access your screen. Share your screen with me. Share your screen with me.
Okay.
Let me stop sharing so you can share yours.
I don't think. Share entire screen. It doesn't want me to share.
How?
I don't know, but the share button isn't switching on. It's only the cancel button that's available. Let me try it again. Yeah, no.
Okay,
It's not happening.
let me try to guide you. Okay, okay, it's gonna
Let me
be,
send you a picture of what's happening, actually.
yeah, please. It's because you're using the browser version. That's why.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
that's the
yes.
reason. But that's fine. Um, on VS Code, just close VS Code and open it again.
Okay.
Oh, I can't take this right now. And just send me a screenshot of what you see after you reopen it.
Okay, it's on the same page as yours now.
Okay, cool. Then now click on Initialize Repository.
Hmm?
Click on Initialize Repository.
Yeah.
And then after that here, we just want to type in a message. You can just type in it. And click commit. And then it's going to ask you, there are no stage changes to commit. Would you like to change all your commit changes and commit them directly? Select yes.
I have the same error code.
You got the same error code. Okay. Let's go to Git. Let's see how we can sort this out. Git bash, and then ls cd documents, ls cd fnb underscore courses, and then code. It's already open. Okay. And commit. Make sure you can fill your username and email in Git. But you already did that. Okay, let's new terminal. Set your account run git global. Okay. Let me Write that on notes. I'm going to send you some terminal commands that you need to type in.
Okay.
They're right there. There we go. And according to that, so
I just type this into the terminal.
yes. But you have to write it separately. So we start with the first one, git config -- global user.email, and then type in your email. You good, right?
Still trying to figure it out.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go to terminal and then open new terminal. You there, right?
Yeah.
And then here with at the drop down, there's a plus and a drop down arrow. Click git bash.
Wait. Where?
Here.
Yeah.
There's a plus and a drop down. Open git bash.
Okay.
And then you can type git config. Git config / global user.email. Okay. Good?
Yeah, where you wrote to you as example.com, should I put my details?
Yes. You should put in your email.
Okay. I did something.
Just give me a sec, I'll be right back.
Okay. What did you do? Christ.
You husband kanjani? Kwani gani? Okay, I'm back. What did you do?
Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah, I fixed it.
You fixed it.
Error key does not contain a section .global. I don't know what I did wrong.
Maybe you typed it wrong?
I copied and pasted it, so I doubt that's the thing.
That could be a problem. Did you
Okay,
maybe
gonna try again.
did you maybe forget the double quotation marks?
Mm-mm.
Please try typing it again manually.
Oh.
It would be so much easier if I could see like if I could. Don't you have Teams desktop? Because I could literally
I
like
don't. I recently uninstalled it, actually.
because I could literally just take over your PC while you watch and set it up for you, step by step.
Lots of regrets right now.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay, what are you seeing on your side? It's like I'm working in the dark, like I'm shooting in the dark. Because I don't see what you see, so I don't know how to advise and tell you what to do.
I'm currently on the same page that you on, just that I keep getting an error.
Okay, send me a screenshot of your screen right now, your VS Code screen.
Okay. Do you see it?
Where did you send it? Did you send it on Teams or on WhatsApp?
Teams.
Okay,
Okay. The error is gone.
let's see. Oh, why is there so many? Okay, git config dash global user dot email. Yeah, so what's happening?
Okay, now that I've just clicked enter, it doesn't have the error code anymore.
Good. Okay,
This is what it currently looks like.
good.
Yeah.
All right, let's go with the next command. Git config dash global username and your username.
My Git username or my VS Code username?
Your Git username, the one it's view all right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just like I tapped mine. Check your screen.
Yeah.
Just like I tapped mine, exactly like this.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And then press enter.
Done.
Okay. So when we click this, it should now work.
Yep.
Okay, now we click on publish branch.
Allow?
Yes, allow. And then choose your username and account.
Mm.
Oh, what's happening?
Trying to log in, but I forgot my Google password. I'll remember it in a second, don't worry.
That's why I told you to just set it up with Google, log in with Google. I log in with
I
Google
did.
everywhere.
I did.
Okay,
And
okay.
since I am currently on, what do you call this? The Microsoft browser, it wants me to enter my Google password.
So you need to change your default browser to Google Chrome, where your passwords live. Yeah.
I'm just gonna copy and paste this to the Google Chrome because okay.
And then click publish again.
Publish branch.
Yes. Then it should show you two options: publish privately or publicly. You need to choose publicly.
It's still signing in.
Okay, okay, I'll wait for you. So with repositories, you can have a private repository or a public repository. Public, it means that anybody can access it, anybody can search it, anybody can view it, anybody can copy your source code, anybody can refactor your code. But if you make it private, then no one has access to it, not even GitHub.
So I should go with private.
Now you should go with public, because at some point I'm thinking that they might think, F&B might think, okay, how are we going to get all these all this coursework from all these students, 50K students? I think it's going to be like a thing of, okay, let's get repositories of the work.
Okay.
Yeah. So what are you seeing now?
It just asks me to sign in to Get again. I'm doing that right now.
Okay.
Authorize Git ecosystem.
Yes.
Okay, authentication succeeded. Successfully published to the code repository to GitHub. Did you like Visual Code to periodically run git fetch? Yes or no?
Okay, wait for me.
Oops, sorry.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to get to where you are right now. I was just thinking about that elevator music for when these things are loading. It's asking me to connect to GitHub, sign in with browser. What? What's this? Successfully published. Did you get this? Successfully published to GitHub. Oh, okay, cool. So,
did you click yes or no?
where?
You had two pop-up messages, right?
Mm-hmm.
One was telling you that it's successfully published. The other one was telling you you like visual code to periodically run GitHub fetch. Did you click yes or no?
I didn't get an option to click yes or no because by the time I saw the pop-up, it already went away. But we should be on the same screen right now.
Yes.
Okay. So.
Except for I don't know if I should click yes or no.
Wait, read it again. What is it saying?
Would you like Visual Studio Code to periodically run git fetch?
Yes.
Git fetch is in quotation marks.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So now everything is synced. And if you go back to your GitHub account, you should see the repository that you just created. And when you click,
wait, when you reload, yeah, I see it.
And that's it.
Oh.
Now it's uploaded to GitHub. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I see my, what you call this? My, not the file name, but the folder name. Does it mean that the whole folder got uploaded?
Yes, you uploaded the whole folder.
Okay,
But
yeah.
I hear where you're going. Let's say you had something like this. Let's say you had a new folder. Let's say it's a master folder with all the units, right? Master folder with all the units, and your unit 1 was outside, or maybe you had another unit in here, unit 2, right? Let's just initialize that. And you had unit 2. Wait, why is it doing this? Let me just init. Okay, let's say you had your unit 2, unit 1, and a master folder, and then you want to rearrange your folders, right? You can rearrange them even in the file explorer. You can rearrange them here. And then on VS Code, once you rearrange them, you see a number here. This number indicates the number of changes you've made.
Okay.
Right? And once you have made those changes, you've made them to your local environment. And to sync them up to GitHub remote, the remote repository, you'd have to click again and then give it a message of what were you doing, aligning folders, and then click commit and say yes. And when you go back to your GitHub and refresh,
everything will be synced.
Everything will be synced.
Okay.
Yeah, this takes a little bit of time. Why is it not? Did I? Oh, I didn't sync changes. I didn't sync changes. Sync changes. See that? Aligning folders. So each and every change you make on GitHub is tracked, and that is also part of, that's like the basics of Git version control. But there is a easier way. It's more technically advanced, but not that advanced that you can't do it, right? Let's say you created a file here. Let's say lesson2.py, right? We just created a new file. We're just gonna wait for it to realize, okay, we've created a new file. So there is a couple of commands that you can use to also do what we just did here with the one doing it manually, typing in the message and all that, right?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is type in git here in the terminal, git add dot. This git add dot adds all the changes within this folder.
Okay.
And then press enter. And then git commit -m, and then our message would be adding lesson 2, right? And then we press enter, and then it's staged. So there's a staging process before we commit. Then after we staged it, we can then git push origin main, and then enter. And then we are done. And when we go back to our GitHub, when we refresh, we should see the change, adding lesson 2. And then when you go into the folder, there's lesson 2 that we just added. This is a little bit of advanced Git version control.
But it's not too complex.
It's not too complex. Yeah. So if you need documentation on Git version control, Git version, we were just on that page. I just forgot to mention it when we were setting it up. Let's just get, which one is easier? Is it Git version control or nah? I think Git. Let's just Git download. Okay. Reference. And here's the documentation for all Git commands or Git functionalities. Let me just send you that link. There we go. I send it to you on Teams. I send it to you on Teams. Yeah.
I see it. Thank you.
Yeah, so everything is done now. Anything else other than that, you have to ask questions, and then I'll just show you where to go and where to get the resources and all that.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Really appreciate it.
Okay. You can also join the later one, the one that's going to be later on, because it might show up with new errors. You never know.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, bye-bye.